Hey everyone, today I'll be walking you through how to customize a Google form header. This works in any browser. Head to forms.google.com and open the form you want to customize. Once you're in the form editor, you'll see the form title, questions, and the editing toolbar at the top. In the top right corner of the editor, click the paint palette icon. That's your Customize Theme button. A side panel labeled Theme opens on the right side of the screen. In that theme panel, look for the header section near the top. You'll see either a Choose Image button if you don't have a header yet, or a preview of your current header image. Click Choose Image, or if you already have a header, click the existing image to see the Replace Header Image option. This opens a Select Header window with several tabs. You've got a few options here. Themes gives you pre-made header images from Google. Upload lets you upload from your computer. Photos pulls from Google Photos. By URL lets you add an image from a web address. And Google Drive lets you select from your drive. Pick whichever source works for you. If you're using a pre-made image from the Themes tab, it's already sized correctly. If you're uploading a custom image, Google Forms will show you a cropping tool. The cropping tool locks the image to a 4:1 aspect ratio. That's 1600 by 400 pixels. You'll see a rectangular selection box over your image with draggable corners. Drag the corners to reposition which part of the image shows in the header. You can't change the ratio, just reposition the crop. When you're happy with it, click Save at the bottom of the window. The Select Header window closes, and you're back in the theme panel. Your new header image now appears in the preview. Google Forms automatically generates color swatches based on your header image. Check the color section just below the header section. You can stick with the auto-generated colors or customize them by clicking different swatches or the plus icon to add a custom color. If you want to adjust fonts, scroll down to the text section in the theme panel. You'll see drop-down menus where you can change the font style and size for form headers, questions, and body text. When you're done, click the X in the top right corner of the theme panel, or just click outside the panel to close it. Changes save automatically, and your new header is now visible in the form editor. Before you publish, click the eye icon in the top right to preview the form on both desktop and mobile. If important parts of the header get cropped on mobile, consider adjusting the image in external editing software to keep key elements in the center safe zone. That's the central 1000 by 300 pixel area. The header will appear at the top of the published form for all respondents.